Assalamu alaikum. So from today we are going to start new series Quran for beginners. It is the series for absolute beginners. It doesn't matter what's your age. If your age is 6 years, 7 years or 22, 23, any age that you have, you can learn the Quran. And if you want to learn Quran online from our institute, you can contact us. Okay, so today we are going to start the new lesson. Move on and starts. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. So when you are going to recite أعوذ, don't say أعوذ بالله. It's not أعوذ بالله. You have to be say أعوذ 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 بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. When you said Bismillah, don't say Bismillah. Bismillah means you have to be apply a force on sin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif. Don't say Alif. It's Alif. Alif. Ba. Ba. Don't say ba. When you cites the ba, you have to increase a little bit length of the word, and you said ba. And remember, ba has only the one dot and the position of the dot in downward. Ba, ba, ta, ta. Ta has only the two dots and the position of the dot on the top. Ta, ta. The next one, sa, sa. Sa has only the three dots and the position of the dots on the top. Sa, sa.